Imagine lights that actually stay bright till morning, not just a few hours after sunset. Welcome to the channel, where we fix real solar problems with smart, simple upgrades. In this video, you'll discover rechargeable batteries that turn weak, unreliable lighting into consistent nighttime beauty. Stay with us till the end, because the right battery choice can completely transform your solar lights and save you from constant replacements. And yes, check the description for the exact recommended picks. At number 5 is JiajaX, a 1.2-volt A garden light going dark every night isn't just a battery problem, it's wasted solar energy slipping away silently when you need it most. That's where the JiajaX, a 1.2-volt rechargeable batteries, step in, reshaping how people experience the top 5 best rechargeable batteries for solar lights. The biggest frustration users face is cheap cells dying too fast, leaving pathways and garden lights dim or completely off after sunset. These Ni-MH 900 mAh cells solve that with higher than rated capacity, stable 1.2-volt output, and up to 900 recharge cycles, keeping solar lighting reliable night after night. Ideal for homeowners, garden lovers, and outdoor decor setups, they bring life back to solar lamps without constant replacements. Compared to lower capacity 600 mAh alternatives, JiajaX lasts longer and holds charge more efficiently, though it still depends on proper sunlight exposure. Still, once installed in solar garden lights, they quietly transform weak, fading setups into consistent, nighttime illumination that feels effortless and dependable. Exactly what a modern solar lighting system is meant to deliver. At number 4 is POWJIELI Ni-MH. Dead solar light at night feels like a broken promise. Your garden should glow, not disappear into darkness. That's where the POWJIELI Ni-MH, a 1.2-volt, 1000 mAh rechargeable battery steps in. A strong contender in the top 5 best rechargeable batteries for solar lights that brings weak outdoor lighting back to life. From the first charge, it solves a common frustration: short runtime and fading brightness caused by low-quality cells. Built with low self-discharge and stable Ni-MH chemistry, it holds power longer and performs reliably across harsh temperatures from freezing nights to hot summers. In real use, it's ideal for homeowners with solar garden lights, pathway lamps, or decorative outdoor setups who are tired of constant battery swaps. Compared to cheaper generic AA cells, POWJIELI delivers more consistent nighttime illumination. Though it may not match premium high-capacity brands in extreme long-duration setups. Still, its balance of price, durability, and recharge cycles makes it a smart everyday choice. For anyone rebuilding trust in solar lighting, this battery quietly restores that warm, steady glow your evenings were missing, and that's where real value begins. On number 3 is PEYESTEN Ni-MH garden light that dies before midnight. Doesn't just waste energy, it kills the mood of your entire outdoor space. That silent frustration is exactly why PEYESTEN Ni-MH Rechargeable AA batteries stand out in the top 5 best rechargeable batteries for solar lights, bringing reliability back where cheap cells fail. Built on stable Ni-MH chemistry, these 1.2-volt 800 mAh batteries deliver steady output for solar lamps, pathway lights, and decorative outdoor setups, solving the common problem of weak nighttime performance. The real win is consistency. After full solar charging during the day, they keep lights glowing longer through the night without sudden dimming. Ideal for homeowners who want low-maintenance garden lighting or anyone tired of replacing disposable AA batteries every few weeks. Compared to basic low-capacity Ni-CD cells, PEYESTEN offers better recharge cycles and improved efficiency, though premium high-capacity Ni-MH brands may last slightly longer in extreme setups. Still, For everyday solar lighting, the balance of eco-friendly design, affordability, and dependable performance makes it a practical upgrade. It quietly restores what matters most at night: steady, reliable light that feels like it should have been there all along. At number 2 is Howardly Ni-MH Dark Garden with dead solar lights feels like a home that forgot how to glow. That's the hidden frustration many users face until they switch to the Howardly Ni-MH rechargeable batteries, a quiet performer often seen in discussions around the top 5 best rechargeable batteries for solar lights. Built on stable 1.2-volt Ni-MH chemistry, these cells solve a common pain point: weak overnight lighting caused by poor capacity stock batteries. With consistent low self-discharge behavior, they recharge through sunlight during the day and keep pathway or garden lights alive longer into the night without sudden dimming. Ideal for homeowners upgrading old solar fixtures or anyone tired of replacing cheap disposable cells every few weeks. Compared to generic off-brand AA batteries, Howardly offers more predictable cycle life and better solar compatibility, though it may not match premium high-capacity Eneloop level performance in extreme long-use setups. Still, for everyday outdoor lighting, it strikes a practical balance between affordability and reliability. Now moving to the last one is Henreepow A 3.2-volt A single-week solar battery can quietly ruin an entire night's glow, and most people never realize it until their garden turns dark again. That's the exact frustration the Henreepow A 3.2-volt LifePo4 rechargeable battery steps in to fix, earning attention in discussions around the top 5 best rechargeable batteries for solar lights for its higher voltage stability and long cycle endurance. Unlike older Ni-MH cells that fade quickly in solar use, this 3.2-volt LifePo4 chemistry delivers stronger, more consistent output, helping outdoor lights stay brighter for longer without that early night dimming problem. It's designed for users upgrading solar garden lights, pathway lamps, or decorative outdoor systems who are tired of constant replacements and weak performance. The advantages are clear: longer cycle life, better voltage stability, and improved efficiency compared to other standard 1.2-volt Ni-MH batteries. The trade-off is compatibility. It won't fit every solar light designed strictly for Ni-MH cells, so checking voltage requirements is essential. Still, for properly matched systems, it transforms unreliable lighting into steady nighttime illumination that feels dependable again. If you want solar lights that actually stay bright all night, Henreepow AA 3.2-volt is the clear upgrade. Unlike Ni-MH options like JiajaX or POWJIELI that slowly fade in runtime, this LifePo4 chemistry delivers stronger voltage stability and longer cycle life, making it far more reliable for outdoor solar lighting. It handles repeated solar charging better, reduces dimming issues, and lasts much longer than standard rechargeable AA cells used in most garden lights. Compared to lower voltage Ni-MH batteries, it gives your solar setup a more consistent glow and fewer replacements over time. That's why it stands out in the rechargeable solar battery category. If you want fewer failures, stronger night lighting, and a true long-term upgrade for your solar lights, Henreepow is the smartest choice among all 6 options. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best rechargeable batteries for solar lights. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.